He's out. Oh, he's running away.
See over there, we see ravens.
चलो where are you going? Okay.
Let's go. So what do we got? What do we have? Yeah, it's tortoise. Hi tortoise. See, it's blinking its eyes.
This is specially made for kids. It's kids farm, so it has
What is it?
few creature and the toilet is also amazing, especially for the kids. Kids are enjoying it here. Samaira, chicken coop. So Myra, chicken lives in, hen lives in a coop. See, they made it the coop. The coop looks like this. Hi, too many duckies. Pira Sharma. Hey, there is donkey. The train is going.
And happiness. The real short musicals are the Explorer Village Theatre.
The jam packed. See here, Myru. The game. Turn it around.
And to play in the station.
They are showing their legs. So dog, rat has this kind of legs. Dog has paw, and the cow has this. And what is this? And the horse has this. So ये exclusively बच्चों के लिए है. थोड़ा एडुकेटिव भी है, जैसे कि hen का कूप बनाया गया है. सैंड एनिमल्स को उनके होम जो रहते हैं, जैसे hen lives in coop, cow lives in shed, इस तरीके से इनके सबके अपने अपने होम बनाकर उनके रखा है. बहुत नीट एंड क्यूट है ये. दिस इज द शीप्स होम. यहाँ है काउ बान. ये सिर्फ बच्चों के लिए एजुकेटिव पर्पस के लिए है, टू इंट्रोड्यूस देम टू द एनिमल्स, फार्म एनिमल्स. ये गोट बान है.
Hey, goat man. We check goat. Come. Come here. We'll check goat. A female goat. Maru, see.
Oh, too many goats here.
Goat is called doe. A male.
यहाँ पे
goat
ऐसा
is
लिखा
called
है, goat milk is consumed more than any other milk in the world. Some quick educative points. A female goat is called a doe and a male goat is called a buck.
That's
Oh,
the goat.
nice. मुझे भी नहीं पता था ये. This is stable for a horse. How the stable looks like. Samaira, horse lives in a stable.
There's the horse.
Entry नहीं है.
नहीं अंदर.
I don't see any horse inside though. See how is the stable looks like. Maru, call them. Get inside.
Let's go my room.
Hi friend.
Can we pet it like this?
No, it's new, so you don't.
Ah, maybe to.
कितने सारे क्यूट क्यूट प्यारे से पैरट्स हैं यहाँ पर. There is one more parrot here. Hi.
Angry or what? Brother, you are angry on me.
No, it's new. It's not used to people. Well, it's time.
So this is kind of
So
cute.
this is orange. This is cheetah. This is
So,
cheetah.
जो भी बटन वाला एनिमल प्रेस करोगे वो वैसी आवाज करेगा. मायरू प्रेस जेब्रा.
Zebra.
Oh. Owl?
Owl. This is owl. This is owl.
That is ostrich. Press owl.
Owl.
Press.
Hey, shark, let's
Okay,
see
shark is
Uh,
yellow.
press.
Yellow. It's not shark, it's whale. No, you should do it one at a time so that you can hear sounds. Monkey. That's whale. Now monkey. You can do monkey now. See
Oh,
gorilla.
polar bear.
Press. Wolf.
Wolf. Wait. One at a time.
Beast.
Beetle.
Let it finish, then you can press. नाइस. बच्चों के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है ये. हर एनिमल जैसे आवाज निकालता है, सब आवाजें आ रही है इसमें से.
What sound is that?
Mayur, press this. Bear.
Fish, yes. I'm going to press.
Rhinoceros. That's all for rhinoceros. Penguin, Mayur, press penguin. There is a train. It will directly take us to safari. नहीं बोले तो ऐसे वाले, नहीं बोलने पर आपके ऐसे वाले टैक्सीज है जो अडल्ट 10 दिरम्स एंड किड्स को 5 दिरम्स में लेकर जाएगा. ट्रेन के साथ इंक्लूसिव टैक्सेस के साथ 150 का है, जो इंक्लूड करता है पार्क, सफारी, ट्रेन एंड सफारी ट्रैवल. हम लोगों ने लिया है 89 का पैकेज, जिसमें ट्रेन इंक्लूडेड नहीं है क्योंकि वो होगा वेबसाइट से, एंड वेबसाइट बुकिंग के लिए हम लोगों के पास नहीं है कार्ड्स. वी ओनली हैव कैश, सो वी आर गोइंग बाई टैक्सी. अभी हम जा रहे हैं टैक्सी में टू अफ्रीकन विलेज. हाय समायरा. ये एक्चुअली बस है सफारी वाली. हम इसी बस में जाएंगे एनिमल्स देखने के लिए. So we have 3 parts: African village, Asian village and एक है एक्सप्लोरर. एक्सप्लोरर में ही सफारी होगी. This wild place is quite पीसफुल. धूप ज़्यादा है बट कोई नहीं, एडजस्टेबल है. आप जब नए नए चीज़ों को एक्सप्लोर करोगे अपने आप से आपको वो हैप्पीनेस और एक्साइटमेंट में ये थकान सारी मिट जाएगी. We are at the African village, so we will start with the flamingos. Too many flamingos. ऐसे वाले होर्डिंग्स पे जो भी एनिमल या बर्ड आप देख रहे हो उसके बारे में लिखा गया
This
है.
from Africa.
सब है डिटेल्स में, उनके नेचुरल हैबिटाइट्स, जहाँ से ये है, एवरीथिंग इज रिटन ऑन दिस काइंड ऑफ बोर्ड.
See this? How it's big here? Oh, very.
यहाँ पे है सारा रेस्टोरेंट, फर्स्ट एड, ये पूरा है फूड कोर्ट. What are you having? यो, ये बहुत ही अच्छा है बिकॉज ऑफ बहुत धूप यहाँ पर होती है, इसीलिए ऐसे शेड्स और कूलर्स बनाए गए हैं. यहाँ पे है अफ्रीकन डॉग जो ये 2 स्टोन्स के बीच में सो रहा है. सो एवरीवेयर इट इज कवर्ड विथ शेड्स एंड द कूलर्स. सो बहुत रिलैक्स है ये ऐसे ट्रैवल करना, वरना धूप में तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा धूप है। बाबा यार
Can you see antelope, Myru? This lioness.
Whoa.
This lioness. This is lion.
Woo.
This is cub. Cub. Oh, feel the lion's tongue. How to feel the lion's tongue? Oh.
Wow. Oh, real?
Yes. It's real.
Lion's tongue.
No, it's made of.
Not lion.
This is real. A lion's roar can be heard up to 5 to 8 kilometers away.
Oh, we see the lion. Oh, see, it's walking.
Hello, friend.
Oh. You see a lion and the lion is walking there. Lion. Ooh, it's real. Oh God.
It's real. What do you do? It's not real. Maybe it's robot.
मैं खा जाऊंगा तुम लोगों को.
Nothing else, it's just humans.
It's no humans. It will eat
It will
humans.
eat you in one bite. Seems very big, huh? Hello, mister.
Look at him.
Bro, you're single?
Huh?
Bro, you're single?
No, lion, lion.
Yeah, there's another lion over
There's
there.
another lion.
Yeah, but that's small. These are very. These
So
seem
we
to
have
be big.
given
I
access
don't know.
like this, जहाँ पे ऐसा है और लाइन बिल्कुल हमारे सामने है.
See?
जैसे मैंने कहा था हर तरफ कूलर्स और शेड्स हैं. एंड यू सी हाई ना.
Hello, hello.
African elephant. Oh, there are elephants. Come, Samaya. This is the rhino's skin and feel it texture. We cannot feel it, so we can see it. This is nice. This is elephant skin. How it looks like. Feel its texture. So this is the reptile village. इस तरीके से ये बनाया गया है.
Where are you hiding? What are you? Is there anything better?
Hey, here see Samaya, reptile. What is it?
There is chameleon in this.
Chameleon.
Here.
उसका कलर चेंज होते रहता है. You cannot see it. My God, Samira.
Big snake.
It's moving.
Hey, the chameleon is moving, see.
Yeah, this is black and white.
Frog. Myru, frog. Myru, look here, we have frogs. Rose tarantula. I don't see rose tarantula. Arabian horned viper. Where is the viper? There. Here I say hooded malpulan.
We are here for what? Well, we are here for what? To see what? To see the
One more snake.
If you don't see it,
Is
you must
carpet
see why we are
viper.
here. Why we are here?
Sand snake. Are do you see this sand snakes?
So, hi Froggy.
The marks they have left on the sand.
There are multiple frogs. They're just making a mess, smile. They're not enjoying the trip. Do we have anything here?
Here we have
They should be. No, they should be.
ornate mastigue. I don't see it. Oh, desert monitor.
See how it's sleeping?
Arabian toad. Ah, here they are.
It's sleeping. Baba, did you find this snake?
Yes,
How it's hiding inside?
I know. Here one more frog, African bullfrog. Oh, this is central breeded dragon. Oh my god. Yes, baby.
What is this, mommy?
Oh, there's a person feeding them. He's coming to eat him now. See, वो अंकल को खा लेता वो. अरे बाबा, look here, come. It won't harm you. चले गया ये अंदर. There's a human inside with a reptile. See, there is human inside. He's playing with him nicely. देखो जल्दी चले जाता हो.
What's this, Mario? Do you know what's this?
Come Leon.
No, it's Komodo dragon. Komodo
Komodo dragon.
Komodo.
It's gonna raise fire.
Oh, Myru, you see this green snake? Green tree python it is.
Yeah, I can see a green
One more iguana.
iguana.
Sudanese plated lizard. One more snake. Red-tailed boa. Oh my god. कितने सारे हैं ना समारा यहाँ पे varieties.
Yep.
Blue tongue skink. Do you see anything?
No.
दिख नहीं रहा है कुछ यहाँ पे. Let's move to other one. See here.
Oh.
Adder. They're sleeping actually. Let's not disturb them. I don't see anything here.
Mama, I saw something.
Hi, here it is. Nile monitor.
Mama,
Here it
see
is.
beside the tree.
Myro, here it is.
Mama, beside the tree.
This is Burmese python. You see python here?
Nope.
See, it's moving there. Peacock monitor.
It's going back to see who is next.
Lizard. What is it? Madagascar day gecko. Hey, gecko, Myru. Paw Patrol. PJ Ma, sorry. Central carpet python.
Hey, a snake.
Yeah.
That's cool.
There's nothing here. We have to find. Here you have Tokyo gecko. I guess green color somewhere. Unable to see it. Here it is. See Samira, corn snake here. White and brown color shade.
Yep.
One more is here. Duragan mountain king snake. Ball python. Where do you see ball python? This is common king snake. They are sleeping, I guess. This is their sleeping time. Don't see anything here.
Because it's too big, we can't see anything.
Hi. It's looking at us. Now we are at Explorer Village. यहीं से हमको सफारी मिलेगा. बस आएगी क्योंकि ये हमारे पैकेज में इंक्लूडेड है. तो we will go by bus. This is nice fountain. Which it was. hippo aquarium.
Tanggalin mo yung ano mo, face mask mo. Tapos ngiti ka.
ठीक है आने के बाद 2:30 को है फीडिंग स्टेशन
You can feed giraffes at this timings here.
The group of crocodiles is called Basque.
We are here at hippo aquarium. Myru, look at hippo's mouth.
Oh my god. Oh.
So here you have everything. Hippo case, skeleton, shark.
My goodness.
What do crocodile eat? Shark tumors. Oh my god, now finally see a hippo. Hey, this is real or what? I say. It's real, na? It's moving. Hippo is sleeping.
So crocodile will
Push the button.
sorry no more.